Hi, my name's Steve Gaskin. I had the privilege of being a former DCI in the Metropolitan Police Service in London. Let me ask you these questions. Are you obsessed or really interested in true crime? Are you interested in forensics, CSI, and forensic psychology, particularly criminal psychology? How would you like to spend a whole day with forensic experts from the comfort of your own home? In that case, the 14th of November 2002 is a day you really shouldn't miss. So let me just share some things with you so you can see exactly what is going on. So there are some really cool things. What I would like to do is just show you how the day runs. First of all, we have a welcome and you get a swag box. What is a swag box, I hear you ask? Well, you'll see that just in 1 minute. We've then got 5 really cool action-packed sessions, of course with breaks around it. So we look at fingerprints in serious cases. We send you all the material to do fingerprints. So that will literally be with you to do it. How does it help the police? Taking fingerprints, identifying suspects, dusting for fingerprints. It'd be a really cool session. And if that's not good enough, we've then got Dr. Brian Chappell and some others that are going to show you some, again, a former DCI, that's going to show you some revolutionary things around fingerprints. We're then going to look at developments in DNA. All of this is hands-on, by the way. It's not lectures. We're then going to look at ballistics and blood spatters. I think you enjoy both of those. They're really interesting to look at. Then what we've got, what I call our 3-in-1 hour, some terrible mistakes that have been made. And then we're going to get in front of the cameras Martin Lee, again a former DCI, that's going to look at cold cases and murder reviews and give you a really good insight. Then I'm going to talk to you about criminal psychopaths, and I'm going to give you an instrument to measure on what scale of psychopathy are you. And finally, and I can't tell you how much we're looking forward to this, we've done this literally tens of thousands of times. We're going to have a full crime scene investigation with a case file. You're going to look at the motive. You're going to look at who committed it and everything. And then we're going to have a wrap-up session. And moving on from that, why should you pick us? We have had some really, really good feedback. You can just see there's 3 of our customers there. They found us really interesting. That's the first one. They loved it. Ray was actually a forensic psychology lecturer in another country. So that's what our customers think of us. These are the swag boxes. You can't see everything that's in it, but you can see roughly. You're going to get all sorts of things. I've got a bracelet here. You can't do it without our CSI bracelet. There's going to be some really good things in this swag box, and I've deliberately hidden some so you can't see it, and it will be sent through to you through the post very, very easy. So there's 5 interactive sessions, as you've seen, all relating to true crime. This is what they are: fingerprints, forensics, blood, DNA, ballistics, criminal psychopaths. A really action-packed day. There's hands-on activities, so you'll be taking your own fingerprints, dusting for fingerprints. And we've designed a VR, a virtual reality crime scene that you'll get the opportunity to look at, and lots more. That lots more is I'm going to give you, as a special bonus, access to all the forensic psychology talks that I've done, and that is offender profiling, the psychology of aggression and violence, British serial killers, extreme psychopaths, the whole lot. So that is what you'll get. So how do you book on for this? Very, very simple. Just go to our website, which is thecrimelab.co.uk. You'll see this on the front page, True Crime Festival. It will give you some more facts. The cost for the whole day is just £45. And you've seen what you get for that. You get a shed load of stuff, and it really, really is a good day. So we would absolutely love to see you along at this festival. If you do need any other questions answering, then just email us at team@thecrimelab.co.uk. We really look forward to seeing you. Thank you.